Mommy, go.
Crack me another one.
Who's you do this?
Okay. I need. There's 3. I need another one.
Christian, can you tell Dad what we're making?
Tell Dad what you're making.
4.
What are we making, Christian?
Cookies.
No, we're making
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Here's Santa. Okay.
Oh! Good one, Grandma.
I need a Kleenex. Oh no.
Bobby, what?
Don't touch Christian.
5. And we need one more, Christian. One more.
What's wrong
You're
with the
good.
one Shannon cracked? She got it open.
She got